Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove object from video. This is the CapCut tutorial. So this is a CapCut Android version that I use to a video editor. So if you use this application as well, you can remove or you can hide the object from your video. So this is, for example, you can tap on your projects. So I want to remove the yellow painting behind this man. So just tap on your video and make duplicate. And then on the first video you can make overlay. So this is the overlay, the bottom, and you can use mask feature here, mask options, this one. So with this mask you can cover the object. Try to use the rectangle and try to use the blank space and tap check. So the mask is done. So let's try cover the yellow painting or frame with this mask. You can adjust the size here. To adjust to cover the painting. As you can see, now the yellow paint or the yellow frame is gone. Here, to make it you can practice to make it perfect. So there is hair here, so you can repeat again to practice masking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.